Okay, so we have Sir Edward Perlas from Carbonation Cycling, so CNC. Sir, how long na yung brand natin na Carbonation?
Ang CNC has been around since 2013, so this is our 11th year already. Pero we've been building carbon wheels way before 2013. Yung brand lang talaga na we came up with the brand ng 2013.
So this is hand-built, like kayo yung talagang huling humahawak ng wheelset before it flew.
Yes.
So sir, anong advantage ng hand-built na wheels in comparison sa mga wheels na binulang ng machine or...
Okay, ang generally, ang pinaka-advantage ng hand-built wheels is that mas nababalance yung tension ng wheel compared doon sa mga automated na machines. So sa automated na machines kasi, ang way of checking the tension is through torque nung nipple and spoke. Ang problema, maraming factors na nakakapagbago nung torque na yun. Unlike sa hand-built na wheels, may pinagamitan talaga ng tension meter. And yung tension meter na yun, ang chine-check niya is the actual na tension ng spoke mismo, hindi yung torque ng nipple.
Ngayon, ano yung mga common na issues or na-encounter niyo sa mga carbon wheels na
Well, typically with carbon wheels, lalo sa rim brake, ang known na issue with all brands naman is yung warping. So every year, tinatry naman i-improve yan. But generally, what we recommend sa mga riders is you always have to be conscious about the routes that you take, yung skill level nyo, yung confidence nyo sa downhill, before you take routes na hindi kayo familiar with. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng tipong first time pupunta kayo ng isang lugar na hindi nyo alam kung may sobrang tarik pala na downhill, and then hindi pala kayo sanay, tapos dala nyo rim brake wheels. Kahit na anong klaseng carbon na wheel yun, may tendency talaga na mag-warp.
Last question, sir. Anong thoughts nyo about sa mga hookless rims na lumalabas ngayon?
Hookless rims, generally, wala pa namang known talaga na issue about it. There are some instances, pero hindi, parang very remote. Very remote yung mga instances na natatanggal, and sometimes mali talaga yung setup. The way we see it is that there's not much difference between hook and hookless because of the tire technology also. Malaki na yung advancement ng tire technology. So, yung chances na bumibitaw yung tire are very slim.
Price range, sir, ngayon ng mga wheelset natin?
Okay, ang price range natin, so we try to keep it as low and as affordable as possible. Ngayon lang kami actually, this year lang kami nag-increase ng price. Yung entry level natin starts at 25,000 for the pair, hanggang 27,000 siya for the 6088 na version. And then yung mid-tier natin is at 32,000 naman. And then yung top level na wheels natin, these are 50,000 for one pair.
And you also have disc wheel ngayon?
Yes,
sir?
yung disc wheel natin na rear, meron tayong pang rim brake, meron din pang disc brake, that's 50,000 also.
50,000. Sir, yung pinaka-top of the line nyo, magkano ngayon? Yung pinaka-top of the line na wheelset nyo ngayon? Like yung carbon spokes?
Yung big 50,000 natin, that's so carbon na rim, carbon spokes, and then ceramic bearings.
Ceramic bearings. Alright. Thank you, sir.
Alright.
Thank you so much. Okay.
Parang cellphone.